In the video, I will review the Magicpen solder perfecting, soldering iron tip cleaning, and renewal solution with you. The product works on all soldering iron tips, whether copper tips, other tips, JBC. For example, I use a Tudor T1211 model soldering iron. It works in all brands, whether it is the tips of this, the tips of JBC, the tips of Weller, the tips of Ersa. It gives really good results in all brands of soldering irons and soldering iron tips. It is enough to dip the tip of the soldering iron into the solution. It really increases the efficiency of the soldering. I use a 1mm tip, one of the thinnest tips. As you can see, it collects a lot of solder on the tip of the soldering iron. Although I use a very thin soldering iron tip, as you can see, it accumulates a lot of solder balls on the tip of the soldering iron. As I just said, it does not matter whether it is good quality, such as CJB, Versa, Ersa, Tudor, or other poor quality soldering iron brands. You can easily use it on the tips of all of them. As far as I have observed, it seems to be relatively more efficient, especially on copper tips. I recommend Magicpen solder perfecting and soldering iron tip renewal solution to everyone. I use it myself in my technical service. I recommend you to use it in the same way. I am very satisfied. A nice product. It gives very good results, especially in copper soldering iron tips produced for brands such as JBC. I tried it on Weller brand soldering iron tips. I tried it on Ersa brand soldering iron tips. I got very good results, especially on Ersa brand tips. My Ersa tips are thick. There is a Tudor brand soldering iron in my shop right now. It gives very good results, friends. It cleaned Ersa's thick numbered, 3-4 years old, worn axe tips very close to a new soldering iron tip and made them brand new. See you in the next video, friends. Thank you for watching.